Have you ever asked yourself why luxury cars turned into giant smartphones on wheels?
Are these massive screens actual luxury or just a cheap trick to hide engineering flaws?
In the past, luxury meant solid materials, mechanical buttons that lasted forever, and pure engineering. Today, car brands install a single glass panel because it is way cheaper to manufacture. Programming a screen. True luxury is paying for that mechanical perfection, not a cheap tablet.
But the game is unraveling. Industry giants like Volkswagen officially admitted that deleting physical buttons was a massive mistake that angered customers.
Europe's safety organization.
Amidst this digital madness, rebels like Mazda stand out. In their luxury CX-90, they refused to follow the touchscreen trend while driving. Instead, they invested in real depth
And tactile controls that keep your eyes on the road. This is engineering that defies time.
Technology should serve engineering, not bury it. Tell me in the comments, do you want a digital screen palace or do you crave mechanical solidity? Like this video and subscribe to Money to Burn Luxury for more. See you in the next one.